My mum was diagnosed 2 years ago with an incurable cancer, and she wasn't quite ready yet to retire, but had to very quickly. And so for her, financially, all her money was caught up in her property, and this solved a couple of issues. One gave her financial freedom to enjoy her hard work through her life and her time and money, but also gave us an opportunity to be able to support her in the best way that we could. We'd had a look at a few different companies, and Humpy Co had, I guess, a more modern look, but also was flexible with alterations if we needed it to accommodate for the space that we needed the build to be in. We wanted something that would be like a mini home for mum, so we wanted a 1-bedroom sort of self-contained area for her to feel like she still had her own space. Live independently but also be close by. Definitely I would recommend Humpy Co to anyone that needed to build something on their property. Humpy Co have always been excellent at communicating with any alterations to the plans, and being very accommodating when there was any issues.